Hi. Hi, sorry, it's me. How are you? How's it going? Just for a second, you might see me behind go past the screen. And I wanted to show you something. That's my new background, by the way. I bought this for about £2. This was the camera. I wanted to show you something before I make my video. Oh, sorry. I keep on my hand in the way like an idiot, and I'm trying not to. Oh, this. No, you won't be able to hear me on this one because the sound is one turned down really low. And it was on a Tuesday this happened that I saw the cat. This cat's been coming here for a few days now. But just watch this, and I'll try not to talk around it.
Yeah, look how close he is today. Look. He's got a little friend at the back of the room. Look at that. Oh, poor bugger. He's freezing.
It was cold on there, yeah.
He's stunned there.
Yeah.
It's pretty. You can't see the smile on the back because she's so far away up. Probably, I don't know, but he just stood there like, what? Oh, wow.
And I was having a bad day, and this to me made my day. Made me feel a little bit better. I was upset, I was pissed off. I came downstairs, and before Lucy came downstairs on a Tuesday, I believe this happened. I had my camera. I took a recording outside,
Probably thinks this is his
like early in the morning, and there was a cat outside, the same cat from before, and he was just there look at me, look at him, and his friend was like, I'm leaving kind of thing, and the cat just
Oh, he's
stood
still
over.
there. Poor bugger.
No, I've seen it before, like I said in my other video, and I have no problem with this cat at all.
He's not doing anything wrong.
See, you can see him walking away. You can see everyone like walking away. Like, I don't want anything to do with this.
I'll just try to get past.
And he slowly turns his head like,
To this one. I like this one better because it's so mysterious. This one's just moving around, but this one's just like, this is my spice, and I'm taking it. That one's gone.
I really gotta look at the camera still.
Oh, wow.
And there you go. That was the video I made like Tuesday. So yeah.